So, hi guys. If you remember me, say hi to me if you remember. So, yeah. I made a video, right? And then someone say hello to. Say hello to the followers, be. Or viewers.
Hello. Hey, Coco. Say hello.
Ito yung pusa yamin, guys. Dalawa yung pusa yamin. Tinis ikaw ng pusa yamin.
Sige na, halika na. Nasa tayo dyan. Tulog na yung baby ko din eh.
So, tell the viewers what's your name. The viewer must know what's your name. What's your name? What's your name?
Kaya, wait lang.
Ano sinabi ni Kuya? Good night daw. Okay. Sabi mo good night too. I love you. So guys, ito. Sa grade, yun, nag-grade 10 yun kuya ko. So grade 9 pa din yun. So, pag naging grade 10, pupunta dito. Tapos, mag-i-enroll. Ko alam kung saan i-enroll yung kuya ko. Basta, malaki na yun. Ba, di ba 14 na si kuya? 14. Ay, oo, 14.
14 ata or 15?
14. So, yeah, like that. And, good night, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Yeah. So you know I'm making video like Takaboka video and some like other things like only Takaboka. And then I Google my Takaboka because I don't know why. My happy mode and I download the real Takaboka. So say bye. Bye, babe. I will miss you.
Bye-bye.
Kiss mo sila. Kako, bye na daw. Kako. Bye guys. I will see you tomorrow. We love you. Yeah.